and sharing screen, and I'm just doing this. Please keep your sides mute. So here, what is the problem? What is the problem is the capacity of two containers are 240 liter and 112 liter respectively. Find the capacity of container that rations of shop owner must take to exactly measure the capacities of the two containers. Means ration shop এর যে মালিক তাকে একটা সে একটা মগ বা কিছু নেবে যেটা দিয়ে তেলগুলোকে হ্যাঁ যে সেই তেলগুলোকে এক্স্যাক্টলি মাপতে পারবে মানে কি সেই কন্টেনার গুলো হ্যাঁ কোনো কন্টেনার মানে একবার ধর তেলটা তুললো পুরো কন্টেনারটা ভর্তি হবে অর্ধেক নিলাম একটুখানি ছেড়ে দিলাম that thing will not happen. So how we will find the capacity of that container? Okay, so here we need to just do the find out the HCF of these two numbers. So I am advise you to do the HCF by the division method because division method always gives the correct answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So just do it now and more problems. If any other problems are there, just tell me. If any other problems are there, you can also tell me.
Ma'am? Ma'am, I have one problem.
Definitely, just carry on. What is your problem?
From chapter 3.
Chapter 3, today we are not doing. Chapter 1 first you see. Nicely. What you will see? See, this is the MCQ type of questions, questions will be there. This page, I hope that all of you can see, okay? Here you can see that all the keep in mind things are very, very much important because I can see that many questions can be formed from here. Okay, so first you see the chapter, afterwards where you will give the stress, I will just tell. See the chapter nicely, very nicely.
Ma'am, the HCF is, ma'am, 16. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, I can listen.
1616.
Yes, 1616. I got it.
Ma'am, tell me that the fraction which have denominator and the power of 10 are called decimal number. That one.
Well, which thing you are telling?
Ma'am, from that, ma'am, see there is, ma'am, keep in mind.
Point number 6.
Not
Any
ma'am,
number? Then?
Ma'am, that the fraction which have denominator and the power of 10 are called decimal number. That one. Ma'am, you get?
That is not denominator, that is denominator.
Denominator,
Yes.
yeah, denominator.
Yes, I got it. Here you are having problem, right?
Yes, ma'am. What will be that?
Which one?
This thing I will
The
explain.
fraction of denominator.
Also, this thing I will explain.
Ma'am.
Okay, but let
Okay,
me tell. After that, co-prime number 1 is having HCF. These things are important. Whatever I'm marking over here, these are important. You will definitely get 4-5 MCQs from here. Question was setting by sir. questions are setting by sir also. Sir only because sir was taking your class. So these are very important things from here. Please keep your sides mute. See nicely throughout this entire chapter. You see nicely. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have, ma'am, ma'am, I was telling you, ma'am, the ACA 16. Ma'am, now what we have to do?
You just see this page 19 from your book here for MCQs. I will explain few things from here. And these are very important for the MCQ formations. Where the questions will come, I will just underline those things. Okay. Just see it
Okay, ma'am.
nicely first. All the points. If you are having any doubts, just tell that, ma'am, I am having the problem in this point. Keep your sides mute. Swastik, keep your sides mute.
Ma'am, muting.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
the highest common factor of two or more number is called their HCF. This question.
HCF or GCD? Yes, both are the same. Highest common factor or GCD full form is, let me see.
Ma'am, GCD means greatest common divisor.
Yes, greatest common divisor.
Ma'am, ওইটা কি number 8 এ? Keep in mind. Ma'am, what is there in the keep in mind number 8?
Co-prime numbers are those which have only one as their HCF. I will explain those things, okay? So just any more questions are there from this chapter, you just see nicely.
It's good.
Keep your sides mute. Okay, so I hope that there is no questions from you. So first here I am just going to represent the rational numbers. Now rational numbers means all the fractions or whatever we are just learning, whichever is this in this format is a natural number. And one condition is there, q is not equal to 0. Because in the previous class, I hope that you all can remember, while we are just reading the property of the division, here we have just read one property like this. Like this,
Yes, ma'am,
division, yes, division by 0 is not defined. Division
yes.
by 0
It's not equal.
is not defined.
And means like 9 by 0. And that will be not defined. The answer
Yes, that means if 9 by 0 we are going to write, it is never coming, not giving any answer. Okay, totally
And
abstract. Okay,
and
so that why you will learn it in the more higher section if you are going to just do your graduation on maths, not before that. Okay, so that
Ma'am,
is
math
why
and science is math and science is in the same chapter only. The math and science in the graduation part.
same level.
What?
you just pass your class 10 first. Okay, so here this is not defined, that is why always there in the denominator there cannot be 0. If I am going to give you one questions like that, from the below 4 numbers, which numbers cannot be a denominator? So what you will write? You will just put your tick on the 0. Are you getting my points, what I am telling just now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, very easily. I told you from here many questions can be formed. Okay, from and formed are different. Okay. Next is co-prime numbers are those which have only one as their HCF. Now HCF co-prime numbers, first you need to understand what is the meaning of co-prime. Okay, I am just taking two numbers. Suppose 16 and 27. Prime and co-prime are totally different concepts. And how it is different, I'm just showing it to you now. 16 and 27, these two are totally different number. Here 16 is having many factors like 2, 4, 8 and 16 itself. Okay, and 1 also. And 27 is also having the factor of 3, 9.
Ma'am, what is the definition of co-prime?
I am just going to that only. Just wait for a while. You are very impatient, all of you. Okay. Now, here you see from these factors, can you just from this factor, can you just getting any kind of common factor from these two factors? No,
Only one.
only one. Only one
Only
we are
one,
getting as common factor. Nothing else. Okay. Now suppose I am just going to do the HCF. Okay. I'm just going to do the HCF. Here we will see how much it will come. So here HCF also came as what? HCF also 1. If the common factor of two numbers Here I'm
Ma'am,
writing
the
if,
HCF both are
okay. If
Hello,
the
ma'am.
common, wait for a while, let me complete first afterwards. If the common factor of two numbers is 1 or HCF is 1, we can just tell HCF is also the highest common factors only we are finding out. HCF is 1, we can say that the number is co-prime to each other.
Ma'am, what compared to each other?
Co-prime to each other. That means if we are going to find the GCD or HCF, we are just going to get only one from these two numbers. Is it clear?
60
Yes,
and
ma'am.
25 is a co-prime number.
Yes, 16 and 25. While in the pair, they are co-prime. That means co-prime এর কনসেপ্ট মানে নাম্বার গুলো দুটো করে থাকবে, একে অপরের co-prime। এদের কিন্তু নিজস্ব অনেক ফ্যাক্টরস আছে, কিন্তু ওদের মধ্যে কোনো কমন নেই। বুঝতে পারলি?
Ma'am, after this example, you erase the board and do another sums.
Yes, obviously, I have saved the screenshot also. Okay, are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
which more things I have just told. One student has told fractions this line, right? Now, decimal numbers are called power of 10. Fractions which are power of 10. Okay, power of 10 means suppose I am considering 2 by 10, or I am considering 7 by 100, or we can write like that 7 by 10 square. I'm writing 11 by 10 cube, or it is 11 by 1000. Okay, these all numbers are very easy.
We will give
Ma'am, they are
10
decimal number.
square to
Yes, 0.2. After that, it is actually 0.07.
Ma'am,
This is
0.07.
actually 0.001. 0.07 only. Okay, like 0.11, like this. So if here all the fractions, these are denominators, if this part, if it is tens multiples, we can just easily convert that into our decimal number, right? So this point is very important. Okay, to convert any kind of fractions to decimal number, we need the denominator in the power of 0. Okay, and one more point was there. What point was there? Let me just see. Highest common factor is known as HCF, and GCD is already explained. When two or more numbers have the same factor, that factor is called common factor. It's very easy. Okay, any more questions are there from this? So co-prime concept you have just understood. Co-prime concept you understood. Okay. So let me see from this chapter anything else is needed to explain or not. So co-prime can be this. Here MCQ, how the MCQ will come. Suppose there are 4 number pairs they will provide, and here you have to choose the co-prime or which is not co-prime. Like this.
exam.
Yes,
The
yes.
it will be exam.
It will be.
Exam, how the sums will come, like
I am telling
how
that
the
questions only. From the following pair, from the following number pair, find out the co-prime number pair. Or from the following number pair, find out which is not co-prime number pair. Nowadays, MCQ trend is different. Okay, not is coming more than the original answer. মানে কোনটা co-prime হবে না তোকে লিখতে হবে, তার মানে যেটা জিসিডি সবগুলো জিসিডি বের করে নিবি ফাটাফাট। যেই যেটা জিসিডি দেখবি 2 আসছে কি 5 আসছে কি 6 আসছে বা হোয়াটএভার 1 বাদ দিয়ে যা হোক অন্য কিছু আসছে, তার মানে সেই পেয়ারটা co-prime না। তাদের মধ্যে কমন কিছু ফ্যাক্টরস আছে 1 এর থেকে যেগুলো বড়। ঠিক আছে? prime numbers কিন্তু prime numbers আবার different. Prime numbers মানে only one. Okay, I'm just going to write. Suppose I'm considering prime number. Prime number is also there. Prime number means suppose consider 13. 13 is having only two factors. One is 1 itself and one is the number itself. So consider 17. 17 is also having the one factor 1 and the other factor 17. So these numbers are called as co-prime. Like this way you can see that 23, 29, 41. These all are only prime number. These are only prime number. There is no relation between prime number and co-prime number.
Co-prime.
Obviously, all prime numbers are means if we are considering two consecutive prime numbers, suppose 5 and 7. These are called consecutive. Consecutive মানে পর হ্যাঁ consecutive মানে পর আসে যেটাকে বলে consecutive prime number. Okay. Always consecutive prime numbers like this are co-prime. Not only always consecutive prime number, consecutive any number, consecutive two numbers are co-prime to each other. Consecutive two numbers are
co-prime to each other.
Co-prime to each other. I'm just giving you one example now only. Suppose I'm just take very two small number 11 and 12. If we are going to just take out the GCD, what will be the GCD? The GCD will be 1. Okay. Then these two numbers are co-prime. Okay. Consider 20, 21. Like this pairs is also co-prime to each other. Okay. So these concepts are getting clear. What is prime? What is co-prime? What is the relation in between? Everything. Okay. These are very crucial concepts. You need to just remember it on the higher classes also. Okay, many sums and many problems are coming on this basis. Okay, conversions. I hope that you all are very accustomed. I'm not going to that. So chapter 1, there is no problem at all, right? That Byju's chapter 1 I have just shared with you. All of you have done at least seen, not all, at least seen few things. Those are very good books. Because from the next slot, if I'm going to get your maths class also, I will just follow those books.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in Byju's, which type of questions are there? In Byju's, it is other than our, it is not like our this and
Yes, Byju's is actually following CBSE, ICSE, both this curriculum, not the IGCSE curriculum. ঠিক আছে? So CBSE আর তোদের মধ্যে দেখবি তোদের বইয়ের মধ্যে অনেকটাই সিমিলারিটি আছে। CBSE ক্লাস 7 আর তোদের ক্লাস 7 অলমোস্ট সেম। সো বাইজুসের ফলো করলে তুই যদি ওই বইগুলো করতে পারিস, তোরা ডেফিনেটলি অলিম্পিয়াড বা এই ধরনের পরীক্ষাগুলোতে অ্যাপিয়ার হোস, all will be benefited.
Ma'am, in our school we have done Olympiad.
হ্যাঁ, এই পরীক্ষাগুলো কিন্তু বেনিফিটটা পাবি। ক্লাস টেস্টের জন্য দেখ আমি পার্সোনালি আমি যদি কোশ্চেন করি আমি মডারেট কোশ্চেন করি, হার্ড করি না কখনো, কারণ ওই টাইমের মধ্যে 40টা এমসিকিউ সলভ করতে হবে। ইটস ভেরি হার্ড অলরেডি, আর আমি সেটাকে আরো কমপ্লেক্সন বাড়াই না সেটাতে। So it's okay, fine.